I've watched a lot of videos that talked about bypassing your factory amp in an '07 Dodge Charger, and they all ended with saying you gotta go get one of these. This does not work. This is a bunch of garbage. Do not listen to them. The only way I've seen of doing it, besides spending $200 on a module I gotta hook up, is I took these speaker wires and I ran them and I connected them straight to the amp plug-in, the factory amp plug-in, and they go right back into my stereo deck. So, instead of spending money and buying this, all this does is turn your stereo off and on when the key is off and on. That's all this box does. It does not bypass your amp. Unless you want to go spend $200 and buy a module from an audio shop, this would be your best alternative, would be to do one of these, what I did. Hook up each speaker wire, run them underneath the dash, and into the amp hookup. That would be the best way to do it, because all my speakers, the ones up there, the ones in the door, and the ones in the back window, all work perfectly now. And they're in sync, so not one is louder than the other, none of that. They're all perfectly hooked up. And I know this looks like a lot of wiring, but a lot of that wiring came from this box. That's why I'm saying don't mess with this box. You're going to waste your money, and you're going to waste your time, and you're going to clutter your inside of your stereo. That's all you're going to do with this box. This is a better alternative if you want to do it the cheap way. This is a better way to go about it, is to hook them up to your speaker wires that come out of your stereo and run them straight to the amp. And you get sound out of all your speakers. This is the best way to do it.